What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the WA658 6.5 inch in-wall home speakers. As you can see, it comes with the speakers themselves with a magnetic grill that we can take on or off, a manual with installation instructions, and a mounting template. So to start with the setup, we're going to take the mounting template here and line it up to a spot on our wall where we want to mount our speaker. You can even use a piece of tape to stick the template on your wall for reference. Then you're going to take a level to make sure the template is nice and level to the spot where you want to mount your speaker. After that, you're going to use the template to trace out where you're going to make your hole. Now, if you're unsure if there's anything behind the wall where you want to mount your speaker, you can always follow steps 3 and 4 from the installation manual that we're going to show you right here. If you know for sure there's no obstructions behind your wall, you can skip these steps. So after you've traced out the template, you're going to take a handsaw or any tool needed to cut through sheetrock and cut out the trace section of your wall. After you've made your hole, you're going to run the speaker wire through your wall and to your amplifier for a nice clean look. For this, we recommend you make another hole by your amplifier so you can snake the wire through and plug it into your amp. We also recommend you use CL rated class CL2 speaker wire for this setup, and we have a whole lineup of this speaker wire that you can get from the Rockville website. Now, because this is an 8 ohm speaker, you can actually parallel wire 2 of these speakers together down to a 4 ohm load to run right to your amplifier if it's capable. For more information, check out our video on how to parallel wire your speakers in your stereo setup. So next, you're going to take the speaker wire coming from your wall and plug them into the terminals on the back of your speaker, with the positive wire going into the positive terminal and the negative wire going into the negative terminal. You're also going to want to make sure to connect your speakers to your amplifier, with the left speaker going to the left channel of your amp and the right speaker going to the right channel on your amplifier. Before finishing your install, you can even check to see if there's music coming out of your speaker to make sure the wiring on your amplifier and the speaker itself is all good to go. So next, we're going to place our speaker inside of the wall, but make sure the latches are facing inward like this because we're going to twist them out once it's fitted inside. So once the speaker is placed inside of our hole, we're going to take a screwdriver or a power drill on low speed to tighten the screws so that the latches come up and grab onto the wall to secure the speaker. You can also angle the tweeter here on top any way you want before putting your grill back on. Just be sure not to push it in too hard because that could risk damaging your speaker. You can also use the treble knob here on your speaker to raise or lower the high end coming out of your speaker by 3 dB. And after you have the speaker all set up the way you want, you can take the magnetic grill and place it right on top of the speaker, or you can even leave it off for a different look. And then for the second speaker, you're gonna follow the same exact steps so you have them both set up like so. So now that we have our speakers all set up to our amplifier, let's play some music and hear how they sound. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up the WA658 in-wall home speakers. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.